How to bet on esports using bet365. If you would like to place a bet on esports on bet365, it is very simple for us to do so. All we have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the bet365 app, and then you want to make sure to log into your account. After you do so, go to the option that says All Sports right from the bottom left of the screen. Under the All Sports tab, you can find the option that says Esports. So tap the Esports option. Under Esports also you can set different type of games and sports. So you can choose a certain match that you would like to place a bet on, and here you can simply select the odds. So go ahead and then select the odds. You can choose what type of bet you want, enter your stake and confirm it, and once done you will be able to place a bet on esports. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.